The little girl loved to bake. She put on her special chef hat and her pink apron, ready for a day of sweet creations. First, she measured the flour. Scoop by scoop, it filled the bowl, soft and white like a cloud. Next came the sugar, sparkling like tiny crystals, and a splash of milk that looked like a tiny white river. She mixed everything with a big spoon, stirring and stirring until the batter was smooth and fluffy. Then, she carefully poured the batter into little cupcake cups, making sure each one was just right. Into the warm oven they went, and soon the kitchen filled with the most wonderful smell of baking cupcakes. Ding! The timer rang, and out came the golden brown cupcakes, warm and perfectly round. Now for the best part, Faye decorating. She piped swirly frosting in pink, yellow, and blue. Little sprinkles twinkled like magic on top of each sweet treat. She lined up all her beautiful creations, a rainbow of cupcakes, ready to share. Baking made her feel so happy, especially when she shared her yummy treats with others. It showed that love and a little effort can make the sweetest things.